I'm crossing the border between Macau and China today. I go every few weeks, so I just thought I'd show you what the process is like. So I just took the free casino bus from Galaxy to here to the border gate. It took about 20 minutes. So the border today was really fast. I would say it took about 15 minutes. And yeah, you actually can't record during the process of when you're coming through. And if you do try and take a picture or record something, they will actually make you delete it. This coffee was 9.9 yuan or €1.20, and it's also SpongeBob themed, which I love, so cool. And it's honestly my favorite coffee, it's so good. So the main reason I come across the border mostly is to get my nails done. I currently have 3 broken nails in total, and I always go to the same nail salon here because they do just such a good deal for me. These are the nails. I like them, they're so glittery. So my nails cost 130 yuan, which I think is pretty good. They did take a while, but I got 3 extensions. But I come here all the time just to get my nails done. That's mainly what I do when I come here. I've got some lunch and noodles. The aircon is so strong and my hair is blowing everywhere, but this looks so good. So I got noodles and they were always so good in that place, and they always make me laugh because they speak to me and I have no idea what they're saying, and I always think it's so funny because they're trying to have conversations with me and I'm just laughing all the time. But the noodles were 22 yuan, which is so good, and it's like really big bowl of noodles. It's amazing. I've come to the supermarket just to pick up a few bits before I head back. If you're coming to China, trust. These are the most delicious things ever, and I highly recommend them. I need a new diffuser, so that's what I'm buying. It's time to head home.